Hey, this is Austin Harmon Mixes. It's been a little while since I've come to you with content, but today I want to show you something we're super excited about here at the Pin Group. Just a little update before we get into it. The Pin Group is a full-service audio-video lighting company capable of delivering exceptional AVL experiences all over the world. We have grown tremendously in the past number of years since I have beginning content to you, and we are certainly excited to bring more content to you in the future. But today I have to mark this very special moment in the Pin Group's history by introducing you to our very first product, the PGX FLiP. Let me tell you a little bit about it. PGX FLiP is a direct view LED display product that is made by a partner manufacturer of the Pin Group. We're very excited about this product for a number of reasons. First and foremost, direct view LED displays are incredibly popular because of their flexibility and their ability to display dynamic content of any kind. PGX FLiP is exceptionally capable in that you can actually connect multiple PGX FLiPs together, up to 6 of those together, in fact, to make one very large LED display, or you can flip them over and have a display facing one direction and the other direction. You can use multiple in sequence just like this, and you can even control them from your phone. What makes PGX FLiP unique is the quality of our LED displays coupled with the versatility of the product. These products have truly impressed our customers, and therefore we're very excited to bring this video content to you. PGX FLiP is available right now for ordering on our web store, which you can get in the description below. We have multiple of these ready to go, ready to ship for your needs. We think PGX FLiP is great for church lobbies, for trade shows, replacing those terrible pull-up signs we've all seen. We think PGX FLiP is great for event spaces and really any other application where you need crowd control. PGX FLiP is exceptionally good at what it does, and we're very proud of this product. If you would like a private demo of PGX FLiP, you can go to our website and register for a private demo. As with everything that we do at the Pin Group, excellence is in our DNA, and I'm very excited to bring this excellent product to you. If you would like to see what other products we have in the works and you would like to follow on with what the Pin Group is doing, you can follow us on the social media. The handles will be down below, or you can follow me at Austin Harmon Mixes on the Instagram. I would love to have you join me as we continue on this journey. This is Austin Harmon Mixes. It's great to see you all. I'll see you next time.